Is your HiSense Roku TV red standby light keep blinking? Don't worry. Here are several effective fixes to solve the red light flashing problem step by step. First, instead of using the remote, try turning on the TV using the manual power button on the TV itself. On most HiSense Roku TVs, this button is located underneath or on the side of the TV. So when you find it, just press and hold to turn on the TV. Sometimes the remote battery or pairing fails, making it seem like the TV is dead when it's actually still working. So for that, just unplug the batteries from your remote and wait a few seconds, and plug them back in, and try turning on your TV again. If that doesn't help, try the most effective solution, a full power cycle. Unplug your TV's power cord and leave it unplugged for at least 30 minutes. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the TV's physical power button for about 5 to 15 seconds. This helps drain any residual power stored inside the TV and can clear temporary software glitches. After that, plug the TV back in and try turning it on again. If the red light is still blinking, disconnect every external device connected to the TV, including HDMI cables, streaming devices, gaming consoles, and antenna cables. In some cases, a faulty HDMI device or shorted cable can cause the TV to stay stuck in standby mode with a blinking red light. Now, try turning the TV on again with only the power cable connected. Next, perform a flashlight test. Turn the TV on and hold your phone's flashlight very close to the screen. If you can see a very faint image or menu on the display, that means the TV's backlight has failed. In that case, the TV will usually need professional help. But if you don't see anything, it can still be a software glitch. So, as a last-ditch effort, you can try a manual reset on your HiSense Roku TV using the small Reset Pinhole button. Use a pin, pen, or SIM ejector tool and press and hold the button for about 10 to 15 seconds. If your HiSense Roku TV still won't turn on and the red light continues blinking, the issue is most likely related to the power board or main board hardware, and you may need to contact a repair technician or service center. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching till the end.